If you're setting gain just so all of your faders can sit at unity after you dial in your mix, you're doing it wrong. And it's probably hurting your sound more than you realize. We actually covered this in a recent live stream review where Cade explained the real purpose of gain. Check this out.
Some people think that the goal of gain is to set it so that all your faders can be at 0 whenever you have the mix that you want. And that is not the purpose of gain. The reason they put a gain knob on your mixer is so that you could get all of your instruments and vocals operating at the same level before they travel through the rest of your mixer. You could think of gain kind of like as the front door of your mixer. You could think of it like a water faucet, and everybody is sending you a different flow of signal. The electric guitar is sending you a signal that's louder than the bass guitar, and the goal with gain is to get everybody at the same level before it goes through compression and gating and EQ, and then finally the last stop on the mixer is the fader. On the gain level meter, where the green lights meet the yellow, you set the gain right there. For every instrument, every vocal, that gets them all on the same playing field before you do anything else to that signal. So it is wrong to set gain to get your faders all at unity. That's the wrong way to do it. It's not the purpose of gain. It's not the right use of gain. I don't know why that lives on. If you want great sound, you can't do it that way.
Gain sets the maximum level for each channel, and like Cade said, the goal is for every channel to hit your mixer with a consistent amount of signal before any processing happens. Your fader then acts like a final volume trim. Unity on the fader represents the total signal level based on your gain. Drop below it and you're cutting volume, push above it and you're artificially boosting it. I've heard a lot of people say that they like the visual reference they get when all their faders are at unity, but honestly, that doesn't make much sense to me. See, you get a better visual reference when gain is set consistently and the faders reflect what's actually happening in your mix. I'm not boosting anything above unity because my gain staging is solid. That means better signal quality and a less chance of feedback. Also, don't forget about setting the gain properly on your speaker amps. If you're not sure if yours is dialed in right, check out the video on your screen. And if you want to watch the full live stream review that this clip came from, it's linked here too. If you've got any questions about gain, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.